So you might be trying to figure out how you can make these Studio Ghibli type of images with your pre-existing images. Now, doing this is pretty basic, but you will need a few things. One, you'll need ChatGPT, and two, you'll need that image that you basically want to go ahead and use. So, little prerequisite, not everyone's able to get this working. I personally am still not able to get it working, which is kind of annoying, but you might want to give it a shot and see if you're able to go and get it started. So number one, go ahead and install ChatGPT on your phone or your computer. You can also go to just chatgpt.com, and you can also go into the website as well. Once you go ahead and have it, the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the application or open up the device. So then when you're here, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically upload that image. You can do that by clicking on the plus button that's at the very bottom. Click on the plus button right here, and then you can open up your Photos application or your Files app and find that photo that you want to go ahead and basically convert into the Studio Ghibli type of format. So tap into the photo right here, you can go and click on Add. Now the message you want to send to ChatGPT, you want to go ahead and basically have it, you basically want to go ahead and say, create a Studio Ghibli type of image from this image. Now I'm having varying levels of success with this, so it might start creating it, it might not. But most of the time, like for me, it says I currently cannot generate an image in this because, it's not a policy restriction. I'm not really too sure why I'm getting that type of image, but or that type of pop-up. But you could try doing it that way. You can also try seeing if you have the free account of ChatGPT, if you can change your model. That might be another thing you can try doing as well. That might be another thing you want to try doing. But that's kind of what's the main way to go ahead and do it. And then once you go ahead and have that image, you can go ahead and download it and use it as you normally would. And that's pretty much how it's done for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.